How you doing? Tony Fennell, Prime Motor Cars, your Sprinter guy. My cell is 978-764-1232. And for you guys, just so you know, I'm a 40-year master tech. I know more about nuts and bolts. I ran my own shop for 30 years. They brought me back here to run the service department for the Sprinters here in our sister store, and they grabbed me out of there to help sell these things. I want to show you this 2021 M2CA 4.4. So it's a 21 Mercedes-Benz cargo van, 144 wheelbase, 4-cylinder turbo diesel with the high roof. You can see the nice chrome emblem on that grille there. Special painted black wheels. The Vianco winter tires that you can run. No stopping you there. She's got a hitch on the back with a step. The electrical. The doors open up 270 degrees. Just about kiss the quarter panels. A lot of room in this baby. Sidewall paneling. It has a partition wall with no window. You can remove it. Just zip the screws around the edge, pull it out, set it aside if you don't like it. Anti-slip floor, wood floor, composite with the 6D rings to strap down your cargo. A view from the side, grab handle to get in. It has the LED cargo lights, so that's nice. The black cloth interior. It's got the little pad for the armrest. Well equipped, overhead compartment, standard radio, Bluetooth capabilities. Thanks. Tony Fennell, your Sprinter guy. 978-764-1232. Call me.